I know, honey. It's really freaky looking. Oh my gosh.
I'm scared of light.
Well, it's okay, honey.
I'm scared of light.
It's okay, honey.
You know, if I hear, like down in lightning,
Wow. Oh my God.
I'm scared of lightning.
Yeah, I don't like this.
We're heading into the heart of the storm.
I don't like
We're going to meet it head on. Take out its heart and show it to the storm.
Oh my God. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Wow, that's quite the
Ridge.
ridge.
Deep, deep troughs.
What?
I don't like that light. It's weird.
There's all the rain coming.
Wow. Wow.
Rainy and lightning. Wow.
Okay, we're getting in it.
Watch that in.
I am.
And at Peabody was there's gonna be this lightning too. Is Toronto the same as
If any time to drive a little faster, Marcus, this is the time, my love.
Yeah, look at that black.
I know. I don't like it.
the city?
Right now, in downtown Toronto, we have clear sun on the sky. It's 26 degrees. Pearson Airport has dropped right down in temperature to 18 degrees now.
pull over.
Thunderstorms with heavy rain.
It's okay, honey. We're going to be okay. Yep, pulled over for a quick second, and the loudest bang just happened right near our car.
Bang!
Mark, you idiot. So we're going to try to keep going in a second, but you could barely see in front of you.
I'm really scared.
Rescues. Oh my God. Put your blinkers on.
Found some good storm weather.
What?
We found some good storm weather. As ominous as the cloud itself.
Oh, music.
Good, good music.
Ever taken to combat climate?